Sanibonani bafethu, nginiphathela another video bafethu. Lapho ke uNontokozo Mkhize naye uqopha umlando lapha kuma-Summer Awards bafethu, naye it's a multi-nominated, you understand? So it shows ukuthi amantombazane asebenza nzima, amantombazane asebenza nzima. I'm really proud of amantombazane bafethu, bayaphusha ku-music industry, and even nakhumbula way back then we're always praising abantu besilisa, they are doing this, but abantu besifazane the 2025 they've been doing in this different kakhulu bafethu, yabona. I-album kaNontokozo Mkhize bafethu ilindiwe is nominated 2 times kuma-Summers, yangithola 2 times, you understand, as a best faith gospel album, yes, because lazela kamele component what, and then another one is nominated as a best newcomer of the year, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, best newcomer of the year, you understand? So it's nominated 2 times. So make sure bafethu uthi yazi nimvotela, make sure uthi nimvotela bafethu uNontokozo Mkhize. She's been working hard, niyamazi uNontokozo ngalapha imbo lakhe limnandi lishilayo, niyamazi ningezathi nimazi guys. Do you know that girl? So make sure bafethu ukuthi niyamvotela. Abuye noba ngeyi-1 ke, noba yi-1 phakuma-Summer, yabo. Abuye if ke nivote kahle, abuye nazo 2 kaloku kumele nivote phela, ngeke bese nibuye nazo 2 nje, at least one guys, nimvoteleni, because she's been working hard. She's been giving us ingoma ezimnandi, she's been giving us ama-collaboration amnandi, especially the album Gamrumba Pitch, if like namuzwa da in 2 songs da, you understand? So if you need please cut ngicela nambe nomamela la kuMrumba Pitch album leya akayidrophile recently, you understand? Unengoma eziyi-2 lapha efeature khona uNontokozo Mkhize, azimnandi kanje guys, azimnandi kanje. Hala sisi uyacula Jealous Down, uyacula uNontokozo Mkhize, uyacula bafethu. So make sure bafethu ukuthi nimvotela, abuye nayo lama award, because she's been working hard ukuthi abelayo khona. She's been working hard azabelayo khona guys. So ngicela ukuthi nenze sure ukuthi bafethu nenzani, nimvotela, ubuya nayo lashuni, because into esifunayo ulashuni. You want sibona lama award, you understand? Because ama award bafethu symbolize umsebenzi womuntu. Kufanele behleli endlini mayebheka lama award athathazini album yami ulindiwe, she brought me this, you understand? Yeah, album yami ulindiwe, she brought me this, you understand? So make sure bafethu nimvotela bafethu, make sure ukuthi nalibonisa uthando kuye as much as naye enza sure ukuthi